What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're going to be working on the semi a little bit tonight. It's getting a little dark out, so I'm probably not going to be doing too much. It's going to be probably a relatively small video. We're just trying to figure out suspension in this thing, trying to figure out like why it's not inflating. So I'm kind of just going to basically like hard hit the suspension system with some air to see if it, just see if it inflates at all. I don't get why it's not inflating. It should inflate. So I'm kind of go down the line and see where it's not inflating and why is it not inflating, and figure out. Sorry, I'm pulling out a freaking compressor unit here. There we go. But yeah, so basically we're just trying to figure out like why is it not doing it, and try to find the issue. I don't know how the air system is in these things, and it's really hard to find. Well, for one, I don't have time. I'm working and doing all the things, so I don't really have time to look it up fully. I can't find any diagrams on this thing or anything like that, so I'm kind of like just trying to learn it myself, trying to learn how the whole system goes. I know where I think the main hose goes to back there. I'm not sure. Find out soon enough. But first I can get this thing in here. There. Oh, the air tank's filling up now. So right now the air tank's filling up inside the truck. As you can hear, that's what that sound is. So let's look back here, guys. This is the air for the main air comes through here and portions out to over here and over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get an air gun, pull this out. Actually, you know what? I should probably leave that in. Oh, I don't know. I don't like that. I really don't like that. I really don't like the slip-in design thing. It's really kind of sucks in a way. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unplug this. I don't think I can do that. Oh, no, it's just paint. Someone painted this thing. I don't like that either. I'm trying to find. All right, so the easiest way to really do this is probably disconnect this one here, put some air through here, and just see if this side inflates or not. That's really gonna be like the easiest way for me to tell. I need to actually get a second air compressor tank because I have the main tank filling up right now. Yeah, main tank's filling up right now. Oh, you know what I can do? Hold on. I gotta see if I can even get this thing out, but if I can, that'll tell me all. Yeah, so this airline and this airline have a small leak on them. You gotta cut them and re-put them in, or change the fitting possibly, not quite sure. But I'm just trying to get this airline out. Hold on. However, so it's in there good. I can't really see where the hell this thing where it wants to go. It goes down that way. Now there might be valves down below somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. I can't get that freaking thing out though. But that'd be like that's where I want to. Oh, I gotta slide off this thing. Okay. That's like where all the suspension, I believe, goes to, and comes through over here, goes down that way. I can take this out actually here. I can take that one's stuck in there too. Oh wait, here we go. Hold on. Okay. So then that goes down that way and goes that way. Then there's this one here that goes down that way. All right, we're gonna go underneath the truck real quick and grab my phone and see what we can see. All right, got the flashlight here, so we can actually go look underneath here, crawl. We're gonna crawl and see if there's any solenoids that we don't see right now. All right, what color are you? That's wires. All right. Oh, what are you? Ah, hold on. All right, hold on, I found something here, guys. This is what we're looking at here. Oh, I thought these were purple, damn it. I thought they were, but they're not. Sadly. Alright, never mind. Guys, so I got this thing on. I know it's getting a little dark, so it's getting hard for you guys to see a little bit, but when I test out those airbags right there, So I got air in it. There's no leaks in the system, at least nothing to stop these things from inflating. Look up like what would stop air from going to the back. That's the key right now. What would stop air from going to the back of the truck? Because apparently the bags are good. Bags, well, there goes my flashlight again. So I could flash it too. So as we can see, the airbags are working. They are 100% working pretty good actually. So alright guys, listen, it's getting too dark out for you guys to really be out here with me because it's getting dark. But listen, I saw one thing. Airbags are not popped. None of them have a leak in them because this is still holding air pretty good. So I'm just gonna have to just try to get that main line off and then see like what blocks it from there down. So all we can do at this point. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, it's a short one. Listen, let's just give you guys a little bit of entertainment. So try to figure out this issue together. So listen, guys, if you guys want to see more of this, leave a link down below. Comment down below if any of you guys are experts or have any knowledge on this system here. Be very helpful. And other than that, guys, listen, like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, do your 6 follow dreams, something in your way, and I'll see you guys next one.